Greetings Camso community, welcome to our In the Shop video series. Today we're going to show you how to properly store your Camso track system. As your riding season comes to an end on your tracks, it's time to wrap up the fun and to properly store your tracks. In this video we'll focus on the best practices for storage. Be sure to follow the uninstallation steps in your owner manual, which is also shown in our track system removal video. So, let's get to it. Today we'll be demonstrating how to store the Camso UTV Forest One track system. Keep in mind that the storage process is the same across all our track system models. It's also good to have a buddy helping you to make the storage much easier. Here's what you'll need: pressure washer, clean cloth, degreaser, grease. You'll also want to have pallet, cardboard. Once your tracks are removed and pre-washed, it's time to clean them thoroughly. Start by giving each system a good once-over using a spray degreaser. This will ensure that your mechanical components remain in top condition, free from remaining dirt and dust, and protected from the potential harm of exposure to contaminants. Next, rinse the tracks with a pressure washer and wipe them down with a clean cloth. Allow the systems to dry completely and they will be ready for storing. Next, inspect the entire track system. Look for signs of damage, wear, or cracks on the tracks, tie rods, wheels, wheel bearings, and hub bearings. If you notice any worn parts, you can get replacement parts from our website or from your local Camso dealer. To properly store your track systems, begin by adding 5 cc's of oil under the wheel caps. This step is crucial as it ensures that the lubricant will disperse effectively within the wheel bearings thanks to gravity. Next, place the track systems on their sides. Ideally, use a pallet for stacking to keep them organized and off the ground. To ensure stability during storage, always place the larger rear tracks on the pallet first. We recommend adding a layer of cardboard before stacking the smaller front tracks on top. And there you have it. You now know how to properly store your Camso track systems, ensuring peace of mind for the off-season while extending the longevity of your track systems.